on our way na sa papunta dun sa venue. Pero susunduin muna namin si Rai. Yan yung aking mahal. Akala niya long sleeves yung nabili namin. Kasi long sleeves talaga yung gusto niya. Pero yun, it turned out short sleeves, polo lang. So ayun, nalungkot siya. Gusto niya talaga kasi. Pero ang ganda ng color na. So ito yung look natin. Si Honey ang nag-makeup sa akin. Parang nag-mature yung itsura ko, ano?
Ewan sa'yo. Wala mo na bago. Wait.
Parang wala bang nagbago? Ibig sabihin ka ito talaga kakaganda. Later na lang ulit. Ayan. Nag-photoshoot. Ang bride and groom.
Tambay na lang. Dala sa camera niya. Pwede ka umuwi ng alas 5. Gano'n.
Tabo ako. No? Tama.
Wala. Wala ata ako.
Hindi. Wala.
When I met you, I kind of already knew that one day you'd say I will. Confident I know, but with you I feel so sure. You've cleared every doubt and made my heart secure. Oh, hello. I know life gets messy and there's still a lot to go through, but there's no one else I'd rather do life with than you. So I promise to always be by your side, my strength, my heart, and my wallet I'll provide.
Yun ang mahalaga, yung wallet.
Oh, yung mahalaga, wallet.
I'll always show up, especially on days that you need me. Through every joy, every storm, you'll always have me complete.
Naka ba?
We live by faith and not by sight, and trust in the Lord with all our might. It goes without saying, I love you endlessly. I'll choose you every day for all of eternity. I still can't believe I found the one. Now let's get married and have some fun.
Yeah.
So, Jenny L, as you look to Matthew Christian, we will always have your back.
Hi, love. This is it. I remember the day I met you sa HR room. I think some of the people here knew that. which I know you're not from that department, pero you helped me out on the forms I need and assisted me work to get it, na talagang effort ka, iduro kung saan. And if may questions ako about it, you let me say HR to school. I know from that time na you're kind and respectful. You make sure that you can help out in any way. Fast forward, you start having conversations about it and finally say yes as your girlfriend. I know my life has changed the moment we got into a relationship. From someone who came broken family and doesn't believe in loyal man. You break that belief in me and we created a love story. Forget that I have you and I should just need to trust you and love you. Love, trust, and respect is what we have, will always have. Your love and sacrifice to our family proves me that I will marry a loving and understanding husband. May you always stay with me in every ups and downs of our lives. Always believe in us. This is the start of the new chapter of our lives. Know that I love you and will take care of you always. I love you.
So, muli yung sabi. You may now kiss the bride. Okay. Shall we surprise again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sabay-sabay pa, sabay-sabay.
Unang tanong, ilan taon si Tita Bebot kasali? Ilan taon si Tita Bebot ngayon? Sila! Huwag ka muna sumali ka! Huwag ka muna sumali! Mamaya na lang, next round ka na lang. Game! Game! 63, letter B, 61, letter C, 62, Sili na kayo! Letter B, letter C.
Asa si Miguel? Isa doon ko.
Kita Bebot, tingnan na sinundasan mo ng iyo sa ikaw.
Ayan, di ba? Biglang nagliwanag. Nagliwanag.
Nasa reunion kami ngayon sa Ingay